Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, the heart of the home with me, Lilith. On today's menu is an amazing superfood, Moringa Oleifera. Now this one is known as the tree of life, and I understand completely why it gets its name. So Moringa Oleifera is a nutrient-rich plant which is known for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidative properties. Now this one is good for the liver, it's good for your cholesterol levels, it's good for your blood glucose levels, it's good for anti-inflammatory, it's also good for the skin and for the hair, which is a bonus. It's a really bitter dish, so today I am pairing it with some eggs. And I'm going to show you how to do my recipe. So come with me and let's make some Moringa Oleifera with eggs.
This is such a simple dish with such few ingredients. So I'm going in with a diced onion, some tomatoes and curry leaf, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. We want to give everything a good mix before adding in our ground spices. I'm using 1 dried chilli, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of fennel powder. We're going in with the moringa leaves. Now I'm not adding in salt now. When this reduces, I will be adding in the salt. So we're just going to cover this and let this cook for a few minutes until it reduces, tossing it from time to time. So I'm just going to give it another 10 to 15 minutes, and this is after the 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm adding in my salt. Now moringa is a little different from other herbs, it's much more chewy. So I'm going to add in my eggs. This is about 6 medium-sized eggs. We'll just cook this until the eggs are firm and combined nicely with the moringa. So we're just going to cover this and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the moringa with eggs. As you can see, it's come together quite nicely. And that's your moringa done. Happy cooking, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.